Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel. Today again we are here. You can see we are here in the sushi section. So this is our Pan Asian restaurant, and sushi section is the one of the most revenue generated section and the expensive section in Pan Asian restaurant. Wherever in the world you will visit to the Pan Asian restaurant, you will find the sushi section. Sushi is basically from Japan, and sushi is the more highest selling in our restaurant. So we will see today how to make the sushi, what all of the ingredients are required to make the different varieties of the makis. We have a chef with us, Mr. Joy is the master chef. So we will see how the chef is making sushi today. Namaskar chef. Okay.
Today we are making ubi tempura maki. So this is the main thing. So we need this is a nori sheet. That's the thing. This is ubi tempura crunch. This is the prawn tempura. This is rice. This is sesame seed. This is sesame seed. So I cut it to how to make sushi roll. This is vinegar sushi rice. I put the rice on top of the nori sheet. Then put sprinkle some sesame seed. Put some tempura crunch. Basically use this for is the enhance. That's right. This is the mayonnaise. Anyway, put tempura. Let's show how to roll. This food is ready. To garnish. Yes. Yes. Popcorn. That's This is a wasabi. This is a pure wasabi paste. This this is the pickled ginger. This is good. Then the sushi is ready.